time for tea fusion nó bắp đấy với tới đây nhận hàng là chẳng cho chẳng hồi gì vừa chẳng tới nhận hàng đâu cái này như nhưng mà chỗ Nam Island đây chẳng chỗ trên cái chẳng ạ tiền hàng nó chẳng á ồ bữa miền mua ta già nó tiền hàng ta nó sẽ trả nó vừa chỗ thế vừa shopping shopping kia đang lo hại giàu rồi nè nè gì đây là nó rồi nè or you can eat almost 24 hours almost 24 hours eating được mà cảnh tím easy mà nhận thấy nhung này broccoli thì chia nhận steak nhưng mà nhận broccoli cho sập nhận chẹp chẹp chui okay good
But I'm here for a bad decision. Happy birthday again.
What day?
That's good.
Good.
That's good. I drink that whole shit.
In hoi with answer cả năm tông. Khá là bây giờ ta pha món hoi. Em nói rằng thì không em thà nói tay là với em sẵn năm tông. Hoa quan làm cả mình càng tình rồi. Nó tờ cả hả? Thank you. Năm tàu hiểu nhung về sao mình lại cái là phố hoa tươi hiểu nhung này. Cái nó vớt này tòng từ bữa mình hát nó tòng sao dạ vừa phía tống non nó ổn vừa sao non tống non non này
What a bit now. Yeah. We're on the beach now. Oh, we're still walking. We're still walking, not there yet.
Não, Judge. Olha lá, me dá aí, ó.
Where we at today?
Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay.
Look how big out here.
Look at you, get it?
Yeah. Nom cà phê thế, đi qua phía tầng hồ chiến nom nào, na y nom đi qua phía tầng hồ nom na, mẹ nom cà phê, mà nom nhiều quá vậy.
I don't know what it is, but they think it's so tiny. All they ate was fruit.
Cái ibunya wan hang tena tena. Where you going, away?
Perfect day, Coco Cay.
Woo, 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 woo. Cruise day, cruise day, cruise day. You what?
Hi, Family. Are you having fun?
Heck yeah.
Tired too, huh? Fun and tired.
Emily. Oh, but Cindy Herman's here. No, Cindy not. I went to her room. She's
She
sleeping.
called. They over here.
What the hell?
Yeah, they're gonna find Kaden Lennon. I don't know where they at.
They're here. They're hanging out. What the hell? Cindy got here so fast.
No, when you mean so what can I do? Almost ready.
I literally went there to take her swimsuit.
You went there first, and after I go there, and they almost ready.
She said, Emily, leave me alone. I just want to sleep. I said, okay, honey. This is that.
我想来了，感觉我后面讲那种，因为你有啊，把那个来是来他们的。
Huh? Not yet, not yet.
Mà có mẹ lớn hơn cái đó nhàn lớn hơn cái đó hút đi tam tay mặn xíu.
Mine, it's so small.
This is not bamboo.
It is bamboo.
No?
No.
What is it then?
I know the English call.
Nó hiểu bên từ bamboo là.
Nó chung.
Cái này, vui rằng cái này mình để mình đổ thêm nè, mình khoai thêm nè. Thì nó cần nhiều tâm mà cả nó cần nhiều là cũng sụp tiêu đó ha.
Coco Cay Beach.
What?
Whatever, just go. No, you already pissed me off.
What?
Let them go first. Go ahead. Go ahead. Cái nòm. Cái nòm. Cái nòm. Đây yang pala.
Thì nó cần nhiều ta lang nha.
Tao.
And you have unlimited water, they have
No.
Palm tree.
They have coconut water.
Okay.
Hey, the way they have
Palm
it is
tree. Dàn dàn.
like right there.
Cô tài à? Đâu?
Okay, go. Chết sao đi vậy luôn.
Dạ tan miên ấy. Dẫn tan là nữ sẽ choáng cái
Tê.
tan chăn sẽ choáng.
nhưng mai bữa lo mà quận như là
hả
chủ mặt hả
đấy
Yeah, the pink purple flower, no?
okay.
No?
Na bên na hang được bao nhiêu phát quan na nhà anh xe mà cha yang trao luôn tao tao quá
okay bitch
chôm ăn thử cái gì
ra đi
bật chỉ hai nhà lớn rồi nó lõm bật chơi lên
Right there.
hả
Oh, let me help you with that.
yeah turn up turn around how you feel
Both of y'all.
Ooh. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, Joseph. Look at all those fingers. All those fingers. What are hot now?
Why, if y'all are up at 3 a.m. and y'all not in the club, what are y'all doing?
Oh, no. I went to bed at like 1:40. He came back at like 2.
Y'all went to bed at 4.
Oh,
Y'all went to bed at 5.
No.
look at that young man.
I'm on vacation
On vacation.
And then I went to shower at like 4-ish and then seemed ready for bed. And it was like on the phone.
He took forever to shower.
Ooh, what a
No,
deal.
like he
It goes deep right there. Chris, are you gonna be able to like swim right there? And then it goes not deep anymore. You just got, but right there is deep.
take a shower, but he can't go long enough.
Oh, sure.
I told you.
It's waterproof.
It's waterproof. You can go.
Remember how I walked to my room? I'm surprised
What's that?
I wasn't walking.
Oh, shit. I cannot go.
Really?
It's just nasty. I don't want this to soak into my nipple.
Yeah. I asked John. I said, "Was I okay?" He was like, "Yeah, you were walking straight."
I can see you guys.
Oh, damn.
Effects.
Oh, do it again.
Oh my god, jump scare.
Yeah, get up.
Let me see what Ella. Give me Ella.
Yeah, Ella. Ooh.
You go swimming? You go swimming.
Oh my god, it's sharp.
It's sharks. Oh my goodness. This edit's about to be so. Oh, he missed me though.
Oh, yes.
Oh, you don't want me to do that. You don't want me to do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chill. You do it again one more time.
Hey.
I'm gone.
Oh.
You ready? Can you hold your head?
How do I become a waterbender?
show you the way. I'll show you the ways of the water.
I'm peeing.
Yeah, we are at the beach.
You got it.
Whoa, whoa.
No, it's like a whole kind of.
We're gonna do a 360. No, yeah, not on me, on that side.
Yes, Emily.
We gotta go one direction. Oh, I'm in the way. For what?
Look. Open here. Look.
Alright, go ahead. Oh, shit. This sideways, gang. Avatar last water.
No, it's just for water to
Water?
get far. You're not gonna get a full force of water in the
Yeah.
I probably could. Okay, I got different force. You gotta do like a Duke.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, got you.
Babe,
All over there.
I don't know if I can go there because I don't know how to swim.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
No, they say it goes deep.
No, it's fine.
Then you go first. And then if you don't come up, then I know what's up.
It goes like 5 foot.
Oh, shit. Hello. You don't know how to swim.
I know, right?
You
Oh,
did.
hell no.
Oh, we can stand.
This is me standing.
You sure?
No.
This is me standing.
I'm 5'3". I don't know if I'm...
I don't fuck with you.
It's real money.
Don't go. You don't know how to
I
swim.
know, right? Babe, it's too deep. I'm like, I already got my ticket. Oh no, man. I thought I was taller than y'all, man. What happened?
That it was deep.
That shit was funny as fuck.
I don't like that.
Ooh, we are having fun, huh? Get in?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah, we are having fun.
Hell yeah.
We'll come again next year.
I'm on
damn, already?
vacation. I'm on vacation.
Yeah.
Ella said, I'm on vacation.
Got money to blow
So
like
something.
that.
Yeah, ocean.
Chris is paying, he said.
Ella said, I'm on
Oi.
vacation.
Hey.
You really think you guys would go on a cruise again, though?
Look at Nana.
No, look at me.
Nana.
I can't touch your friend.
Hey, Phạm ơi. Hey.
That's how
Millie.
me out.
Oh, Millie, you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
The sandbar is kind of cool, but getting there is kind of
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Look how tall this guy is.
I can imagine that.
Okay, sit it first. What the fuck is this like?